Hi there, and welcome to another exciting real estate luxury tour of a custom villa in Plano, Texas. We are at 6149 Preserve Drive in the Villas of Legacy West at easily one of my most favorite floor plans that this development offers. Let's go take a look inside. This 3-bedroom, 3 full and 2 half-bath villa is located in the prestigious Villas at Legacy West community. It's a prime location which gives quick access to the Dallas North Tollway, and it's literally walking distance to the upscale retail shops and dining at Legacy West. Whoa! This is awesome. As soon as you enter this property, you are immediately greeted on the lower level with this huge living room entertainment space, which features white custom cabinetry and these luxurious dark stained hardwood floors. This is a great lower level living space. Not only does it offer this awesome wet bar with granite countertops, wine beverage fridge, and plenty of cabinet space to keep snacks, but you also have one of my favorite features, this 3-panel sliding glass door that gives you instant access to your outdoor patio space, which also has a gas hookup for outdoor grilling. Anybody want to come over tonight for a barbecue? Directly past the entry are the 2 secondary downstairs bedrooms, one with en-suite bath and the other with full bath access across the hall. And I know you're gonna like this built-in cabinet storage area that was made just for the little pets and kitties that can go right in here and out to their little kitty box so they can keep their mess nice and tidy. Felix! And at the end of the hallway is your access to the 2-car garage with epoxy coating on the floors for easy maintenance. As you continue up the stairs or your elevator to the 2nd level, you have a spacious family room with a stone fireplace. A few of the things I wanted to make sure that I showed you on this property tour is this expansive quartz counter island. You have this wine fridge that gives you so much space to put all of your favorite Cabernets and Merlots or anything else you like. Plus, you have all the high-end Monogram stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, and an oversized pantry. You also have the 2nd balcony, which gives you plenty of covered space to enjoy the shade while you cook a couple steaks on this RCS outdoor stainless steel grill. After you've kicked all your friends out and you're ready to relax after a great meal, walk with me to the Master's Retreat, where you will enjoy this hotel-style bedroom, which features lots of natural light, plenty of space, and walk right from your owner's retreat to this incredible master bathroom, which features his and her vanities, a large walk-in shower with frameless glass and gorgeous white marble and ceramic tile. And finally, this master closet space is amazing. Customize it to suit your personal organization style. Put some luxurious seating in there with an oversized stand-up mirror, and voila, it's the little things, right? Follow me up the stairs or take the elevator to the 3rd level, where you have 3 large living areas, 2 indoor and 1 outdoor. Plus, you have a half bath, this sleek wet bar with beverage fridge, ice maker, and plenty of counter space. There is also a theater style media room with top of the line media equipment and leveled seating. Now join me on your Texas style urban patio. This covered patio area features surround sound and a place for your big screen TV, plus this floor to ceiling stone gas fireplace has custom lighting depending on what mood you're in. Walk with me to the outdoor balcony, which features the big blue Texas sky or starry nights, whichever you prefer, with plenty of seating space for you and your friends to relax, unwind after a fun night out at Legacy West.
And of course, how do I show you a property at the Villas of Legacy West without reminding you of all the cool places that are right out your front door? Like Legacy Food Hall, hi ladies, which features every style of food that your body craves, wants, or desires. Right on this first floor, you got brisket, you got waffles, you got this great stuff. What are you serving up today, ladies? Tacos! You can't have a Legacy Food Hall without tacos. Plus, you've got 3 levels of some of the finest eating places that you've ever experienced, and your own custom brewery. Just kidding. Brisket, hibachi, ramen, levels and levels of awesome food that you're not gonna find anywhere else. Let's eat. And you've got live music every Friday and Saturday night. Who do you have on tap this weekend? Fleetwood Mac, cover band, and Graceland Ninjas. So I'm guessing they probably play some Elvis. Let's go take a look outside. This is the perfect place if you just want to take a break for lunch, or come out here on a Sunday, or enjoy music on a Friday and Saturday night. You've got all these tables turf, and you can even watch some of your favorite sporting events. Take the stairs and you burn calories while you keep eating. And here we are at the top of the staircase in heaven, the brewery. Watch a game, drink a local brew. Whoa, what a view. Plus, if you like luxury shopping, they just opened up Tory Burch and Gucci. So if you want to take off your coat and enjoy a property like this, then just give us a call or check out our website at janritchie.com. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there is a new luxury real estate video every week. And at the end of the month, I'm gonna have 4 properties coming on the market that you don't wanna miss. I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour. And make sure, leave comments, because I'd love to hear from you.